Hello everyone. In this project, we will learn how to connect the RS485 to robotic arm and use external buttons to control each robotic arm to perform specific operation. We will need the development board, a Type B USB cable, 2 RS485 cables, 2 robotic arms, 2 multifunctional extender boxes, 2 IDC cables, 2 arm power cords, 2 button modules, 2 3-pin to 3-pin cables, and a computer. First, we will connect the red button to D4, green button to D5. Please note that there is an arrow on the wire. Align the arrow with the S of the board, and the remaining 2 pins with the 5V and G. Then, connect multifunctional extender box 1 and 2 to RS485 ports of the development board using the RS485 cable. Then, connect the development board to the computer using the Type B cable. Next, we need to switch both multifunctional extender boxes to RS485 mode. Then set both baud rate to 115,200 and address box of 1 to 001 and box 2 to 002. Next, we will upload the program to the development board. Click the Upload button, then wait for the progress bar to complete. After uploading, when red button is pressed, Arm 1 will home. When green button is pressed, Arm 1 and Arm 2 will both home. And this is all for this project. Thank you very much for watching.